If you are bored from your boring Windows look, so this video is for you. If you want your PC from this to this, then watch this video till the end. So let's start this video. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Store, then search for the Lively wallpaper and download this software. After the installation, open the Lively wallpaper. Here you can see there are many default wallpapers. I have downloaded some other cool wallpapers from the internet. Search in your browser Pixabay free video wallpaper for PC, then you can download any wallpaper from here. Step 2. Open your personalization settings, choose your theme to dark mode. Choose the color scheme red, also apply to the start menu and taskbar. So it looks like this. If you have your own color scheme, then you can skip this step. Now step 3. Open your browser and type animated cursor, then go to this website and download any cursor pack that you want. I have downloaded this RGB cursor pack. Now go to your personalization settings, themes and click on cursor. Now browse your cursor that you have downloaded and apply and OK. So this looks great from before. Now the last step. Download TaskbarX from link in description, or you can download from the anywhere. Now open the TaskbarX. As soon as you open, it will apply to your PC. Now open the TaskbarX configurator and set this transparent. Then click on the restart TaskbarX and then apply. So this is our final result. If you like this look, then share to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and you will get the regular updates on your timeline. At the end, signing off for today. Bye bye.